Eagles? How is everybody doing? I wanted to say thank you for all the likes, shares, and all the follows, all of you who comment. You make this page wonderful. Thank you for all the inspiration you give me too. You know, I learn from you guys as well. And today I read for you Born Brand New. Born anew with all we need intact. Every new creation comes with its support package filled to capacity with all it will ever need. No need to scramble and tremble. Destiny got this handled. Only flow with the unfolding process. Look and see what is within your package. Become masters of allowance as those newly reborn open their petals to reveal the greatness within. This is brand new you. Yes, brand new you. Talking about when we are born, we come well equipped with everything we'll ever need. It's a matter of remembrance, discovery, and unfolding. Certain things will unfold at a certain time. And then the remembrance of who you were. Because remember, when we are born, we come with a veil of forgetfulness. We forget our gifts, our talents, who we are supposed to be, and we are dependent for such a long time that we have to remember who we are. So that was brand new you, born brand new, from Divine Soul Whispers. Talk to you soon. Bye.